SharePrices.com.au studios, I'm CJ Dore with some more stock market education, and we're looking now at continuous bar chart patterns. Now let's look for something called a pennant. Let's go to SharePrices.com.au and let's have a look at a bar chart, and here we go. We've got some price action coming in from the left, moving up, waves around a bit, it's kind of flat lines, moves through a little horizontal channel and then takes off. But let's have a look at the pennant within all this price action and see how it forms. And here we go. Now what we can see is we've got a high that we've reached, and that's where the top line starts to come into play. Now you'll note the top line constantly moves down as the highest highs keep getting lower, and the bottom line starts to move up. Everything is pointing to this one area here where it's ultimately going to burst out of. So the lowest lows keep getting higher and the bottom line keeps pointing in an upward direction. The highest highs keep getting lower, pointing the top line in a downward direction. So ultimately we come to a final decision, and it's got to go one way out of this pennant. And in this case, it goes bullish, green, up. Look at this, right up to the top right-hand corner. So with the pennant, note in the days leading up to it that the price action will get a lot smaller. The highest highs and lowest lows have really squeezed up. So become familiar with some of our other videos on maybe bullish indicators to have a look at the formations leading up to that, because once it comes out, it breaks out and goes up. A lot of green activity, very bullish up to the top right-hand corner. So that is our pennant. The highest highs keep getting lower, the lowest lows keep getting higher. The direction of the bottom line is pointing up, the direction of the top line is pointing down, all moving into this one squeezed up little location. So that is the pennant, part of our continuous bar chart patterns. So go to SharePrices.com.au now, have a look at a bar chart, apply it to something you own, see if you can spot the pennant. The highest highs get lower, the lowest lows get higher, and then a decision has to happen as it's squeezed up and it's got to go out one way. I'm CJ Dore from the SharePrices.com.au studios with some more stock market education.